Hey everyone, Jeremy Church, Church's Family Farm. We're gonna go over tagging for the pigs for their 4-H tags. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna want and what makes it easiest. You're gonna want your kid and you're gonna want a snare. Okay, those are your two main things. And then you have your tag gun and you have your tags, okay? That's really all you need. So we're gonna jump into that. We're gonna tag one at a time and get this process done with, all right? So stay tuned. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our snare, and I'm gonna have Logan hold the phone for right now. Move your hand, there you go. Okay, and we just kinda let it go over there. They don't want this on their face, but you gotta get it in their mouth. They don't want it there. And once they're actually biting it, that's what you want. If they're not gonna bite it, it's not gonna hold them. Come on. Oh, come on. You just need your head in there. Come on, get in there. There we go. Okay, you can see how it's behind his feet. Okay. So what we do now, you keep good firm tension on it. Okay. Okay, so we keep good tension on it. And they like to pull back, so it makes it so they can't get released. Back them up. Okay, Logan, hold this down. So I'm using the fence, or the pen itself, so Logan can hold that pig from pulling backwards on him. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and I'm going to tag this ear right here so that you can read the numbers. You got to tag it so they can see the numbers easily, but the bear does not typically care. Now we got our tag right there.
I'm calling.
She's calling Lexi. Just pull the trigger, and then bam. You see? Pig doesn't even notice. Okay, go get that pen. Okay, Lemon, go get that other bait. I gotta get chocolate.
Come on, chocolate. You want me to get my whip and try to get chocolate out?
Nope.
Here it comes.
Come on, chocolate.
Come on, chocolate. Come on, girl.
Out. Out. Out.
Yeah, you're still not scared of it.
Come on. Go, chocolate. That way.
Chocolate.
No, we already did you. Nope, we already did you. Go back. Go. Come on, go. Good. Come on, chocolate.
Yep. Just open it up and let whichever one walk out. It's mine. This one went to the damn gate here.
No, don't get hit with that. Stand over there, please. Lexi. Grab this. Hey, Lexi. Come up. Lexi. Squeeze it. Done. Okay, go get the other gate. Yeah, good job. Fine. Huh? You gonna move your leg? Yeah.
Done. Take care of that. This is CFF. Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your family, and we'll see you next time. What are you doing?
You put it over there.
Why don't you walk around? Okay. Let me give you a needle.